as you guys may know, I am new. I am a member part of the Kawaii Diamonds, and I'm going to tell you guys a few facts about me and my squishies. So, my name is Kimberly. I am 10 years old. I live in the state I live in the United States in California. And I have another channel which is Kawaii Challenge Vlog Lover. So please subscribe and also subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you guys some of my squishies. Oh my. First of all, I have this waffle which is really squishy. And I barely came from school. It's pretty slow rising, only you guys may not see it. This one is really it's just very soft. It's supposed to be a cookie or a bun, I guess. And then I have this chocolate chip cookie. Oh my gosh, sorry about that, it's a water bottle. And then I have a panda. So these are some of the squishies I have, and remember I am your Tuesday every week on Kawaii Diamonds. So thanks for watching. Bye.